Welcome back to ClearTask. Placing two tables side by side in Microsoft Word can be frustrating if you try to drag and drop them. Here is the cleanest, most reliable method to align them perfectly. First, we will create a master container. Go to the Insert tab on the top ribbon, click Table, and create a 2x1 table. That is 2 columns and 1 row. Now let us hide the borders of this container. Right-click anywhere inside this new table and select Table Properties. Click the Borders and Shading button. Under the Borders tab, choose None. Then click OK twice to apply it. The table container is still there, but the lines are now entirely invisible. Next, click inside the left cell of your hidden table. Go back to Insert, click Table, and generate your first table exactly how you need it. Then click inside the right cell of the hidden container. Go to Insert, click Table again, and build your second table. If you need to label them, simply right-click the crosshair icon on your newly inserted tables and select Insert Caption. You can then format the text just like a normal paragraph. Your tables are now perfectly aligned side by side without ruining your document's layout. Thanks for watching ClearTask. Be sure to subscribe for more straightforward tech solutions.